You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary and names from geography that many get wrong. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in Spanish it is said as Guarani, Guarani, with a stress on that last syllable. Now in English, two slightly different ways of pronouncing it: Guarani, Guarani, stress on the second syllable, or Guarani, Guarani, or Guarani. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful, much appreciated, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.